So what exactly is Forex market structure? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. All right, guys, today we're gonna talk about market structure when it comes to Forex, a term I'm sure you have heard on many times. Before we get into it, guys, I want to tell you thanks for hopping over here to check out my video. If you find this to be of value, do me a favor and hit that like button. Also, if you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell to be notified when I drop new content. All right, guys, we're gonna get into market structure, guys. And if you're looking like, what's this device on me, really quickly before I tap into today's topic, I had shoulder surgery, so I'm sitting here in a sling. And a lot of my videos, depending on when you're watching this, for the next 6 weeks, you're gonna see me rocking this thing here. So just wanted to say what I got going on here, my contraption. So in a sling right now, but getting back on task. Well, what we want to talk about with market structure. So market structure, guys, is how we choose to enter the market as traders, right? What's pulling us in to get into a trade, to take an entry on the trade, right? It's how we're looking at the markets to say, I want to get in right here on a specific trade. And market structure is typically based off of patterns, off of the candles, right? And that's how you get your setups. And instead of using indicators and volume and stuff like that, you're literally going off of price action, okay? So I consider myself a price action trader. Everything I do is based off of market structure when I choose to enter the market. And with market structure, there are a couple of different type of movements that you go about in a trade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch gears here and show you the different type of movements that you can utilize to enter a trade through market structure. All right, guys, so here we are on the charts, and we're gonna be looking at different movements, guys, when it comes to market structure. When the Forex market moves, it moves in 3 different ways. For the most part, it'll go up, down, and sideways. And what I'm going to show you here is a series of movements that we look for to take potential entries in the market. All right. So typically now when you're looking at what we have here, I have it marked out here for you. This is an uptrend. The market is going bullish. The market is going up. And when you're looking at it, if you look right here, the market went up, it pulled back, it went up, it pulled back, and it went up. That's an uptrend. That means the market is bullish and continuing to move to the upside. Okay. So in this case, you would want to enter the market for a buy. Now, some people do enter it for a sell, where they'll enter off of the pullback. In that type of situation is trading against the trend. I don't highly recommend it. I've done it before, but I don't highly recommend it. But you can go in and catch. It's going to, in most cases, it'll be shorter movements. You're going to gain more pips as the market is continuing to, after it corrects itself and continue to move with the trend for the most part, right? If you have the patience to understand that it's a trending market up, you want to stay with that flow. So So if you look right here, I marked it out where I have the where it's going up and it's pulling back. So when you're looking at it in an uptrend, so it started here, we have a low, right? Then we have a high right here, okay? Then we have a higher low, then we have a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and so on, okay? It's just continuing to move in that way. That's what they used to call it, the highs and lows of the trend. Okay, so that's what your uptrend would look like when you're looking to go up when it's bullish in the market or going long. All right. So when you're looking at entries, some people will say, "Man, okay, we have this low, we have this high, then it pulled back." Right now, based on certain parameters, someone will look for an entry here, right, off of this pullback, based on what you're utilizing, and find an entry right here and then take that all the way up here. Now, if you look right here, it kind of leveled off, right? And now, can you find a way to get in, have an entry to say, well, this is pulling back. Let me get in off this pullback and take this down for a sell going against the trend? You absolutely could. But, it's definitely, if you miss the move that happened here, after the pullback happens here, it's definitely more, feasible for you to look for the next entry continuing with the trend. Okay. So that is what it looks like for an uptrend. Now we come over here. These all marked out. Now we're looking at a downtrend. Okay, so we're looking at a downtrend. A downtrend, guys, is the opposite of what? Of the uptrend. Okay, downtrend is meaning the market is going down. You're looking to sell. In most cases with a downtrend, I mean the market is bearish. And if you look right here, just drawing it out here, just a little line graph here. Went down here, pulled back up, went down here, pulled back up, and went down. All right, so continuing on over here, I got different key points just marked out here. If you look right here, this was a high, this was a low, right? So then you had a lower high here. Then if you pull down here, you have a lower low here, a lower high, a lower low. Missed on with a little ellipse there. Lower high, lower low, and so on. Okay. Now, another way when you look at it, it's like I said, it's just complete opposite of the uptrend. One way you can look at it that will help you identify with these trends also, guys, you can also use a line chart. Okay, if you use a line chart, you can see here different points with the line chart here. Boom, 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 where it's still identifying the highs and lows in the market. There, obviously, you know, even in here, there's smaller ones that I can identify, but looking at the overall bigger movement, these are just different points for you to be able to identify to help you see the highs and lows a little bit better. Okay, now there's one more pattern that I have to talk about here, guys, and it is the ranging market. Okay, when we look at a ranging market, this is the market is moving sideways. It's also called consolidation. Now, this is creating highs and lows, but they're considered equal highs and equal lows. If you notice a difference in the movement, you have it here, look, where the market went up, down, up, down, up, down. They're creating equal highs and equal lows. If I pull this off to let you see that, and we just look at the candles itself, right? Zoom in a little bit on that. If you look right here, you see right here, it's in consolidation. It's like, oh man, do we want to go up? Do we want to go down? What do we want to do? And finally, it broke out of this area and took off to the downside. Okay, so that is a ranging market. You know, depending on the way you trade, I like to trade out of ranging markets, right? That's the way I look for my entries primarily. Okay, so that's just something, you know. And then you will even in up in a downtrend, you definitely will have points where you have smaller ranging markets in between. If you look right here, after this lower low, then this lower high, if you look right here, the market was ranging here a little bit, right? Then it took off. Now that comes down to insider trends, right? There are different type of movements the market make. I'll talk about that in another video, but I just wanted to show you the basis of what we have here with the different type of movements in the market. All right, so guys, with that being said, just wanted to keep it really simple, just some basics to show you what uptrend and downtrend, what a ranging market looks like when we're as traders looking to get in the market for entries. Those typically are the things we kind of see and look at to say, man, okay, where am I going to get in at? What am I looking to trade? What direction am I looking to trade? And basing it off of that. So I hope you guys got some value from this video. All right, guys, so there you have it. Pretty simple, to the point, right? Listen, I hope you found that video to be of value. And if you want to learn more about market structure and everything related to Forex, guys, if you want to learn how to trade, get access to mentorship, tools, and guidance, simply go to tradewithed.com for more information. And also, guys, I got a couple of videos I'm going to pop up here at the end that you can take a look at to definitely help you learn more about the Forex markets itself. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I will talk to you all later. Take care.